Hello guys and welcome. So we're gonna talk about a very good exercise that you really need to do if you wanna learn pixel art and develop your skills in animation and in pixel art basically. So we're gonna talk about timing. So here we're gonna have a lot of principles together, like timing, spacing, arc, maybe some staging, but we don't want to do this in a complex way. We need to take it very simple and step by step. So I want you to draw 3 circles or 3 balls, something like that, and each one it should be different than another. Like the first one, it's gonna be fast, the second it's gonna be slow, and the last one you can do some freestyle. Okay, so the last one, have fun. You can manipulate the shape, the volume of the object. Just have fun, do some smears, some anticipation if you want. Just have fun. In the third one is just for you to have fun, but try to respect the arc of the animation. Okay, so the first one, how we can make it fast. So the space between each frame, it gives you the speed. Like more space there is between the 2 frames, more speed you have. Like it's just that basically. So the first one, we're gonna have more space. You can make a plan of your frames, how fast you want it, when you want the frame to stop, to be slow. You can do that in the beginning and start, but for me I just wanna have fun and just freestyle it. Okay, so this is very important for you guys, and I really want you to do this exercise because you're gonna learn a lot. So yeah, I'm just testing and seeing the feeling, because in my opinion animation, it's all about the feeling of the animation. If the animation feels right and it looks right, you're ready to go, because it's art. It has rules of course, but yeah, you can break the rules sometimes when you learn or when you understand them, of course. And the more you do it, the better you get. By basically, there is no secret or some plan or something. You just need to do it over and over and over. Of course, courses and videos, books, they gonna help you a lot, and they're gonna help you to achieve your goal faster and have a very solid skills. But yeah, so thank you so much. I really want you to do this exercise, because this exercise is gonna help you to understand animation more, to do better art, of course. So thank you so much, and please, if you want to support us, please wishlist the game. And if you want to support us on PayPal or wherever, you're gonna find all the links in the description. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your time and your view basically. So thank you so much, and see you in the next lecture. And you need to do this exercise because you're gonna learn a lot. Thank you.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through